Well, hello, my pretties. Welcome back to Work of Excellence TV. We are so glad you tuned in and clicked on to this video. Today, we will be doing a SHEIN haul. We will be showing you some new other outfits that I received from SHEIN and how I paired it together. Now, I will be showing some pictures of smaller models for if you're a smaller frame, you can see how the dress would fit on you. And then I'm going to show the plus size girls and even the curvy girls how this dress would fit on them. Just remember, this video is not sponsored. I bought everything with my own coin. So I hope you guys enjoy. Don't forget to like the video, comment down below. Any questions, I will answer them. Tell me what you like. What was the best dress that you like? So let's get started with this haul. Okay, so I will be showing you guys and giving you some information on the items that I paired together. Okay, so let's talk about this outfit, how we're going to pair this outfit today. It could be paired so many ways, but this is what I'm going to do for you guys today. It's army green dress. I'm going to these boots here, these boots, and right here is JBW watch, and right here is K Spears, and right here is Louis Vuitton earrings and a bracelet. I got this pocketbook from TJ Maxx, and the jacket here is just like a sleeveless vest, just to, you know, make it a little more casual. And that is from Macy's. And this is how I will be pairing this outfit today. Right now, I just want to show you guys the dress. This is like an army fatigue dress. And you know, it has the different color greens and black in it. This dress is long sleeve, and this dress is a 2X. It has like a little give on the side. I will be putting some pictures up for you can see the different sizes, and then you will see me model the plus size and for the curvy girls as well. So yeah, so this right here, it has a little stretch, but don't let that fool you. It's not a big stretch. So I wouldn't say that the dress was too big. I think it fits perfectly. I paired this dress with the vest because I just wanted to up it a notch. You know, I didn't want it to look like the army dress, like the girl in the picture. She has on sneakers, you know. And I wanted to dress it up a little bit, you know, and put my style on it. So that's why I put on the vest. And in the scene, I did not say where the shoes were from. Sorry about that. So I have the shoes right here, and I'm going to feature these shoes for the simple fact that I bought these shoes last year from SHEIN. Love these shoes. They go with so many outfits. They are so comfortable. And who knows, if you check the website, they still may have them, you know. So I just wanted to feature these because I did not tell you where these were from, but they're from SHEIN as well. So I'm gonna let you guys get a little cap of how I dress everything in this video. So I hope you enjoy that. I'll be back.
just bounce. Check it out.
Now I'm down in Tribeca, right next to the Narrow, but I'll be hood forever. I'm the new Sinatra, and since I made it here, I can make it anywhere. Yeah, they love me everywhere. I used to cop in Harlem, all of my Dominicanos right there up on Broadway. Pulled me back to that McDonald's, took it to my stash spot, 560 State Street. Catch me in the kitchen like the Simmons with the pastry. Moving down A Street, all white Lexus.
Always want to be transparent with my channel. If you've been following me, you'll know I've been suffering with sciatic nerve in my leg, and it's trying to stop me from being great. It's trying to slow me down from doing my clothing hauls, even cleaning my house, cooking. The pain just shoots out of nowhere. I have my trusty stick with me, sitting on the side. If this is taking me extra long to get this clothing haul done, but I'm going to get it done. I'm going to push through, and I'm going to fight through. And I got medication on me right now, helping me get through it where the pain is not so severe. But it's not gone, guys. But I'm going to edit. I take as many takes as I need. I rest. Then I go again. So I just wanted to let you guys know that these hauls are never easy on a regular day. So when you are not feeling well or something's going on, it's even harder. But I'm going to push through for my subbies because I appreciate everybody's support. Thank you so much. And if anybody know any more exercises for sciatic nerves, I'm doing 2 of them. Some of them are really painful. Just put it down in the comment and I can go to it and try it, because I'm willing to try anything. 2 of them so far I've been doing, and it does help. But this pain comes back and it go down a little bit, and then I could take a step and it just makes me freeze. So I'm going to do the best I can. Bear with me. I just wanted to share that. On with the clothing haul.
Slow with BK is from Texas. Me, I'm out that Bed-Stuy, home of that boy Biggie. Now I live on Billboard, and I brought my boys with me. Say what up to Tata, still sipping my ties. Sitting courtside, Knicks and Nets give me high five. Nigga, I be spiked out. I could trip a referee, tell by my attitude.
Take a bougie ass to Rodeo and then let her pick up whatever she want. CC Gucci, he gon' take her whatever she want. She pissed me off somehow, she still get whatever she want. Talking about a nigga from the Nella as a home. Hit it in the shower, made her tell me what she want. Like I'm singing Miss, I made her tell me what she want. She on a power trip again. I know power got me buying again. Friends ain't jacking me, you must be lying to your friends. They don't want my beats, I wait the giants up again. Shining once again. Ran it up, I told her mama, shout at my DMs.
With this outfit, I choose to wear these brown shoes and these earrings, brown and gold. I'm going to lighten it up a little bit with a gold necklace, my round Versace watch, and a bracelet. This is what I decided to wear. And I may wear my black vest, but we'll see how it pans out. Okay, next we have this dress. I'm going to put a picture up where you can get a really good picture of the dress. It's very long. It's a long sleeve. It has a collar, and it's got some buttons here in the front coming down here. I love this dress. I even wore this dress already before I featured it, but I didn't get a picture in it. I got one picture of me and my husband sitting down, but you really couldn't see the dress, so I still modeled the dress. And I paired this dress with the brown shoes, and I decided because the brown shoes were chocolate, well, you see the chocolate brown? right here in the dress. So I decided, well, since it has chocolate brown in the dress, I decided to go with the chocolate brown pocketbook instead of the other pocketbook. But anyone would go together. The dress is really, really stretched. I would say if you get this dress, size down. Quality even of the army dress was good, you know, because sometimes when you buy online, it's a hit and miss, you know, but I'm here to say so far, so good. If I don't like the material of the dress, if I don't like how it feels, if anything is out of place, believe me, I'm going to let you guys know.
Drugs, I'm ready to fly, no drug. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come excited in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me new life, take me to heaven. When it feels right, that's that ascension.
Hello, this is the try on haul segment, okay, where I want to show you these belts that I bought from SHEIN, and I want to show you how I put them together, what I like about them, what I don't like about them. Am I going to keep it? Am I going to send them back? Can I style it more than just one way? So that's what this segment is going to be about, okay? So let's get right on into it, okay? So first, we're going to show you this. So this is the belt, and in the back of the belt, it has a buckle drawstring. So I pull this, you'll see as I model it, but I pull this as tight as it can go, and this is that hard leather, and I don't really care for the hard leather. I like the way the belt is and how the belt flares out. I just wasn't happy about how it was fitting me, you know, and it kept bulging out. I'm going to keep it in my collection, let y'all see how I put this together, and this is how I would put it together. You put it together your way, or you can get a little inspiration from my way and twist it into your own way, or do it my way. I don't care. I don't care. Just do it. If you like it, do it.
I think I'm crazy. The way I be craving. If I put it quite plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? Better sit doing you
You know, the belt is from SHEIN. Shoes, Michael Kors. Jewelry, Ashley Stewart. Watch, K Spade. This dress is from Amazon. The sweater.
I think I'm crazy. The way I be craving.
Is from
If I
Ashley
put it quite
Stewart.
plainly, just give me the baby. So what you doing tonight? Better sit down.
And this is how I would wear it. You may wear this belt different, but it's about the belt right now in this video. So this is how I would put it together. Okay, so next we have the black one. Now this one is the soft leather, and I like it, and it has the tie. You see, you can tie it. The other one, if I didn't show you, it has this, you know. Now it stayed tight, but you know what I mean? it just didn't hold like I wanted it to. Now this right here, when I tied it tight, it held real good because it ties. You can make a bow in the back, or you can tuck it in where you can't see the strings. But if you could feel, you see how this leather here is that soft leather. Well, it's faux leather. It's soft, and you can just, and I just love soft faux leather. I really stiff faux leather like this. This one, you know, it's so stiff, like cardboard. You know, that's my point I'm trying to make. So this right here is what I like, and I like the way it fit. And I bought 2 of these as well, so I'm going to let you guys see me in that as well. Now I paired this with the black dress. You know, black is my favorite anyway, and I just threw in a little pop of color. And with the bag is from SHEIN. As you know, the belt is from SHEIN. I like this one because it has a drawstring in the back, and you can put it as top as you want it to go. So I really like this one. And the watch is Gucci. And the bamboos are just beauty supply store bamboos. So you get high and you get low. And the shoes are Macy's. These is just my red shoes for that pop of color. And you know where everything else is. Like I said, Amazon is the dress. And I do have this dress in beige. I could have wore beige. And I have a white in this dress from Amazon.
New love, can we get high? New love, no drugs. I'm ready to fly, no drug. Pull up, if I'm on your mind, pull up above. When you come silent in us, I am baptized, I am alive again. Give me no life.
I'm glad that you guys like my little segment of try on haul, just to give you a little glimpse of what I bought from SHEIN and the pieces that I put together with it.